Okay, guys, working on 2006 GMC envoy differential carrier. So this is what broke on this car. You see that right there? It's a differential carrier right there. But before you get this out, you got lots of things to take out. And let's bring you down here. We're gonna start from here first. See that? That go right there. And you gotta take out the engine mount and lift the engine up, and then so this is what go in the middle. You see that? So that's a passenger side CV asset right there, and this is how it works. This thing is gonna sit in there, and as you see right there. So both CV asset as well, they sit in there. See. So this is the reason why we're replacing this, because this thing cracked. So we got a new one to install it in. That look good. See that? So this frame, this metal piece right here, gonna sit right there to attach both wheels, because this guy is a 4-wheel drive.